Hello Binance Ocean traders, welcome once again. In this video, we're going to trade with support and resistance levels on a key ocean platform. So we need to mark our areas. So I'll just adjust. To get the areas well. So that's our level of support and resistance. We need to wait for the market reaction in that area. So I need us to break below this area for me to take a trade. So this is our next level. Then you have another area here. So you need to be able to identify all your levels. So we are in between the level. I'll not take my trade. Just wait. If I can close above the area, I can take my trade, the call option, using the area as my level of support and resistance. So we've closed slightly above the area. You can see the candle closed slightly above the level. So I expect an upward movement. So we are moving to this next level of support and resistance. From this area, you can see a test. So that's a strong bullish candle. I don't see any possibilities of buyers, of sellers entering the market now, unless otherwise. So let's wait. We have a whole number here. It is 133.000, 133.100. This is why you can see the rejection. But this is a strong bullish candle. So let's wait and see what happens. So the market is rejecting from this whole number area. I'll do a put option. So after such a strong bullish candle, you get a bearish candle. Don't expect the market to move more up. So the sellers will push to this level. So we'll push more down. So let me start with this trade. I expected the buyers to move more higher after closing this strong bullish candle, but instead we got a rejection from this whole number area, 133.100. This is the area that moved the market down. So we lost that trade. And this other trade, I did a call option because this is a strong level of support and resistance. As you can see, the market reacted here. When you go on the left, again, the market reacted here, again here, again here. So it's a good level of support and resistance. When you close above that area, you expect at least some buyers to push the market up. That's why I did a call option on that trade. On this other trade, I did a put option because I expected buyers to continue moving the market after this strong bullish candle, but instead we got a seller's candle with a rejection with no lower wick, so there is no any signs of buyers here, only sellers. That's why I did a put option on that trade. Same scenario here. I expected the buyers to push the market up, but instead we got a seller's candle. The next candle, again, it was a seller's candle, so I expected the next candle to move down and at least try and break this support and resistance level. So those are my trades. So I think I'll stop trading from here. Keep watching my other videos in this channel for you to understand more about the strategy of support and resistance. Comment, like, and share the videos, and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed to the channel. If you are interested in joining our training program, you can contact me directly through the Telegram link in the description below. I'll give you more details on how to join the program. You can also join our Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. Keep practicing, stay safe, and bye-bye.